Hey everyone, welcome you back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to record your Windows laptop screen using the built-in Xbox Game Bar. It's completely free, comes pre-installed with Windows, and works great for gameplay, app demos, or tutorials. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on Windows 10 or 11. The Game Bar should already be installed, but if it doesn't open, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix that in a moment. To open the Game Bar, press Windows plus G on your keyboard. You'll see an overlay pop up with different widgets for capture, audio, and performance. If nothing appears when you press the shortcut, open your settings, go to gaming, then Xbox Game Bar, and turn on the switch that says Enable Xbox Game Bar. After that, press Windows plus G again to launch it. Now, before recording, check your audio setup. In the audio widget, choose your microphone and adjust your level so your voice sounds clear. If you want to include system sounds or game audio, make sure your main output isn't muted. Next, open the settings icon inside the Game Bar and look under capturing. Here you can choose whether to record your mic automatically, set video quality, and pick your preferred frame rate. For most recordings, 1080p at 60 frames per second looks great. When you're ready to record, open the capture widget and click the round record button, or simply press Windows plus Alt plus R. A small timer will appear on the screen showing that recording is active. While recording, you can toggle your microphone on or off by pressing Windows plus Alt plus M. If you need to check your audio or stop the recording, press Windows plus G to bring up the overlay again. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know which method you're using in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.